Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to talk about very important and trading topic. Topic name is generative AI. I will explain this is both technical and non-technical ways with simple example. So let's get started. First I will start from non-technical side. In simple words, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create text, audio, image, videos, and code. For example, tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, there are a lot of tools in the market. Simple example, if you ask, write a birthday message for my friend or parents or maybe anyone, generative AI will create a good message for you. So it is like a smart assistant for you. Create things instead of just searching. Then I will discuss what is a generative AI in technical explanation. Now let's understand from a technical point of view. Generative AI is based on machine learning, deep learning and neural network. It is trained huge amount of data like text, audio and video and code. One popular model name is large language model or transformer model. This model learns patterns from data and generate a content based on those patterns. Simple example, if trained a thousands of emails, it can generate a new professional email. Real life example of generative AI. Text generation, writing emails, blogs, and post tools like ChatGPT. Also, image generation from text, and also websites generate from lovely chat, lovely AI bot. There are a lot of AI tools in the markets for different work basis. AI can generate songs, convert text into speech. Where is generative AI used? Generative AI is used many industry such as IT industry, healthcare, education, marketing, arts and research. Everywhere generative AI used. Advantages of generative AI: saves time, improve productivity, helps in creativity, easy of use. Limitation of generative AI: sometimes gives incorrect answer, depends on training data, needs human review. Conclusion: so the summarize, the generative AI is a powerful technology that can create new content like humans. It is changing the way we work and learn and communicate. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like and share. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.